So in this video, I'm going to just give you a quick overview of how to create a design. So you're going to come into your homepage again. We're going to click on create a design. And let's, for the purpose of this, create an Instagram post. Canva gives you all sorts of options of what design you, of what sorts of posts you can create. So what we could do is we could just choose one of their ideas, have a look at, see what they've got, see if anything leaps out at them. You've got lots of options. So it's Valentine's Day, so you might want something like this. They've got inspiration for every season and every event, but I don't want anything like that. I'm just going to take this top version here because that's quite nice. I've got a new launch. Let's say I've got a new lipstick launch. So at the moment it's in this pinky colour. I don't want that. I want my core digital blue. So I'm going to go to this, and there's my palette that I've already saved. So I'm going to change that to blue. And I'd also like to change the writing because I'd like it to be in my pink. So I'm going to go to that. I'm going to highlight the writing that I'd like, and then I'm going to click on the text colour, and then I'm going to click on the pink. And actually, let's call it lipsticks. And actually also, this writing here, I like that font, it's fun, but what I want to do is I want to make sure that that one is in my brand font. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down to this drop down here, and when I click on this drop down, it's going to give me my brand fonts here, and I'd like that in my extra bold. Excellent, so that's now there. And that should also be in my brand pink. So again, I'm going to go to that. And now I've also, not only have I got my palette here, but I've also got it in the brand colours. And what you see also below here is it's really clever. So it also gives you options that look like the colours that you've got in your photo. So it's gonna so it can really pop, so you can make sure that everything's pulled together. I'm gonna just change the color of that. That looks nice, that font, but I think I should have it in my, this will be nice, a nice light color. So let's make that there. Excellent. You know what though, obviously I don't need this image because I need the image that I've got of my new lipsticks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually upload those. So I'm going to go into uploads. I've actually already uploaded them here, but let's just show you how I do that. So I'd go upload media, I'd go to device, and then I'd upload what I want to put in. And as you can see, we've got one here. So I'm just going to pull that across. Actually, what I don't want to do is pull it into that because I've got that box. So I'm just going to delete those. They're not working for me. So I'm going to delete, and I'm going to delete. There were two there that very cleverly grouped together. Then I'm just going to pull my image over here, and let's make it a little bit bigger. Brilliant. Yeah, that's fine, but it looks a bit rubbish, doesn't it? Because I don't really want that white background. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on my image, and then I'm going to click on this button here that says effects, and then I'm going to click on background remover. Come on. Sometimes this bit is a little bit slow and painful, and sometimes it's buggy and it doesn't always work. You might need to do it again, but you usually get there in the end. So we want those to be a little bit bigger now because they just look a bit small without the background. So lovely, we can move them around. Let's say I want it exactly in the middle. So there we go, that's in the middle. No, that doesn't look right. So we need to make it higher up, but I'm in the center middle line. So now I've got my Simplicity bottled lipsticks. And if I want to save those, I'm going to give them a name. So they're already called lipsticks. I'm going to call them lipsticks new launch. And then I'm going to click on this download button. And it's going to download it for me. And then I'm going to have it ready to go when I want to upload something to my social media. As you can see, here it is.